In the heart of Engadine, Sydney Welding shines as your premier local welding company, where craftsmanship meets dedication, tackling everything from intricate fabrications to robust structural work. Certified and licensed, our Engadine welders bring metalwork to life, no matter the size of the job or where it takes place. Sydney Welding, sealing relationships with service and dedication on every project, big or small, mobile or on-site. For welding that's beyond compare, the choice is clear. Choose Sydney Welding, where every weld is a work of art. Call us now on 0426 416 748 for a free quote.